Hey everyone, so I've been actually getting many questions of how the Aurora R6 audio output is working, and I've been answering everyone. It works fine. There's no additional any sounds. It works fine for me. It connects into my Bose audio and it performs fine. So we can hear that in the following video. You can hear how it plays. So as you guys heard, it works perfectly fine. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks guys.